We going to Sizzler, son. We going to Sizzler, baby.
100?
I mean, I got the 100.
Oh, we're doing a $100 tuner bet.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll do it on
tuner
the
bet. Drive. 1.8T versus VR6. Volkswagen on Volkswagen crime. This car goes like 150 to the. Big cough. All right, he's having problems shifting. That's it, broke the axle. Broken axle. Shut it off. Shut it off. Get in, just get in. Off to a rocky start for some, but 980 on that beautiful GTI. Danny Kalberg. Broke it. Ricky Racer. Do you have your air conditioning on?
Yeah.
Can you shut it off? It just drips water on the track. That's why they got to clean it up every time. What came off?
getting dial-ins on your car. If you need help with dial-ins, let a tech guy know.
Down a hole. All right, Pacific Waterland, heads up class. We had a little bit of drama where Razvan couldn't make the runs, but made the right sportsman decision, and they're going to make it happen. So here we go. Round one of heads up Pacific Waterland. Make it! I might make it! Oh, left lane! That was close! Versus an LS powered Audi. Which one of your crew guys fucked that up?
Not this guy.
Razvan versus Dave Krieger. Dave Krieger. So the number one qualifier, the all-wheel drive car versus the fast car that couldn't make a pass. So we'll see what happens. Ooh, talk about some drama there, boys. All right, so Eric King got the broke by. Eric King, 10-4, 146.
Yes, it is.
All right, that's it for heads up. That worked out exactly how it was supposed to, apparently.
Yeah, it did.
Ooh, little drama. Stalled for a second. Still goes 1080, 147. Why is he trying to give you a heart attack? He's trying to give you a heart attack.
What?
Anything can happen. Aaron Crosley versus Eric King.
He's looking for the beans. saw his wheels come up when he hit second gear. That was awesome. He's
Oh, good race.
Eric had the reaction time.
Oh, Eric missed the shift.
But Aaron,
11.3.
995 on
995,
his car, too,
145.
So he just ran a 995 out the back door, 145 miles an hour, and not.
1150 versus 1067. Barrett's gonna have to wait on him. Barrett got him, 1152.
Light comes on. He runs 1152 with a 4. Faces.
Like Ricky.
Got him.
Oh, 12.7 to a 13.9. What was his dial in?
I didn't see it. 1394 and 94. I got him right at the top end.
Listen to him sing. Tommy got it, 12.7. Look at that.
Put out there for Raw, who was ahead.
13.1.
But you had the reaction time again.
All right, Raz has struggled. Let's see if we can put something together.
Something happened on that second gear shift, and he got out of it. Right lane's going to go right around it. Well, he got back in it. He went, I'm going to take the strike. No, right lane got it, man. Heads up.
All right, Team All Race has been struggling. They said they got it all together. They're ready to make a hit. Right lane, 951 at 155. Left lane, 11.2 at 95. Sounded like you didn't catch fourth gear. All right, this is for the money. Semi-final in pro. Barrett Hart in the red Camaro. 12-second Tommy in the left lane. Tommy gets the 1 second jump. Green light start. Tommy's doing it. Tommy, 12.7. Wow. Look at that. Right into the finals.
That was awesome.
12-second Tommy. Versus the all-wheel drive STM all-wheel drive Golf. All right, this is heads up.
That quattro has tons of power.
Heads up, boy, double pulse.
There's someone that's checking it. Double Aaron's coming on strong now. They're looking to pick it up. He's going to try to get around the top end.
980! 148, Dave Krieger, Waterland winner!
Turns on the wind line. He runs a 981 with a 9 at 148 miles an hour. Pretty close to the top end though. A 1016 with a 9 for Aaron Crossley. He's a little slow out of the gate.
Winner! All right, sportsman final, James Lutz versus Tommy. Pro final. He was late. Oh, Lutz might break out. Oh, 1347 to a 12.7. James Lutz won in an automatic Porsche powered 928.